Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, I make beauty, hair, food, lifestyle videos here on my channel, and I would love for you to subscribe before you leave. For today's video, I have a review on this MAUI Moisture Color Protection Sea Minerals Shampoo and Conditioner. If you guys didn't know, I recently dyed my hair black, so I'm looking for a shampoo and conditioner regimen that is good for color treated hair, so I'm on the search for one. If you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down below. If you like hair care videos, which I know you guys do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave any comments down below for videos that you have that you want me to film for December. I am trying to pump out as much content as I can in this last month of 2019. It's absolutely insane. It's December 1st when I'm filming this. I think this is December 1st when it goes live, so happy December. I cannot believe it. Also, for the month of December, the 5 days before Christmas, so like December 20th to the 25th, I do Happy Holiday here on my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Jessica, so happy holiday, so happy holiday, you know. So I will have 5 back-to-back videos for you guys up until Christmas. I really want to film a holiday gift guide. I think that's going to be one of my next upcoming videos for you guys, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this review, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, this is going to be probably the most self-explanatory voiceover you've ever seen, because ever heard, not seen. But here I am, just rinsing my hair. Gotta do this before washing your hair, right? Am I right? So I just really like to soak my hair because I feel like you get such a better lather when your hair is super duper, every strand is wet, like no strand left behind type of thing. So I'm just doing this in my sink. I get so many comments whenever I show myself washing my hair in my sink. If you haven't washed your hair in your sink, you're really missing out. So that's all I'm going to say about that. But here I am just using the shampoo. As you guys can see, it's kind of like a milky consistency, like I will mention later. I will show you guys, but it's like creamy almost. I really like this consistency of shampoo because I find like it gets my hair super clean without stripping it. But whenever I wash my hair, the first shampoo is really just like almost like a rinse. It's not really, doesn't really lather up, doesn't really get the girls, you know, soapy. But this is just me, and I like to use the balls of my fingers, not my nails, because my nails will scratch up my scalp, you know. So that's a quick tip as well. But here you guys can see I'm just massaging the shampoo into my scalp. I'm not doing it on the ends of my hair. I just kind of run it through at the bottom and then just make sure that the roots are mostly clean, because when you rinse out your hair, the shampoo will run down the length of your hair and wash it for you. So don't have to wash the ends of your hair, but I'm just going ahead and rinsing this out. And as you guys can see, that was a really quick first wash. I just feel like the first wash gets like all of the gunk kind of off your scalp, and then the second wash is more so of the one where you really get down and dirty. So here I am doing the second wash. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the snow plow outside. It's currently snowing. So I'm just adding more shampoo to my hair, and just like before, I'm rubbing that in using my fingertips, really getting the nape of the neck. I find that a lot of product buildup happens there because we kind of neglect the nape of our neck, I feel. But as you guys can see, this second wash is lathering up ever so nicely, and I'm just making sure that all of my hair is still going forward, because sometimes my hair can get a little wild while I'm washing it in the sink because it doesn't really have anywhere to go. It doesn't have water running directly on it or anything. So I'm just making sure to give myself a little scalp massage, a little, you know, rejuvenation nation over here. So once I rinse that out, I go ahead in with the conditioner from this line. I really like this conditioner. It once again has that milky consistency, so it's really hydrating. I found that applying this to super wet hair was best for me. It just really sunk into my strands and made it super easy to detangle. I kept this in for around 10 minutes or so, making sure that all of my hair was coated with the conditioner. I really like it. The smell is amazing. This line is really, really nice. And then, so I let that sit in for 10 minutes and I went ahead and rinsed out my hair. Okay guys, so I just finished rinsing out my hair, so I wanted to just show you guys what we're working with. First of all, I just want to say that the smell is so nice. It just it smells like, I don't even know how to describe it, like a really nice perfume, if that even makes sense. But I am going to go ahead and deep condition. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like. It's still pretty black. I'm worried that I might have to go get my hair re-dyed because my hair is just honestly not holding this color at the moment. But my hair is still black. I can update. Still black. Yeah. So I picked up the shampoo and conditioner combo because I wanted to try out something for like color protection and everything like that since my hair is freshly colored. But I'm going to go ahead and deep condition, blow dry, do all that stuff, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what my hair looks like when it's completely dried and blow dried and everything like that, so I can give you like my final thoughts and show you the products and what their claims are and everything like that. But I just wanted to show you guys me with the rinsed out conditioned hair. My scalp feels very clean. My hair does not feel stripped or anything. I'm very happy. I'm going to just use the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist as my deep conditioner. That has been really working for me the last few weeks, honestly the last few months since it's gotten colder here in New York. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be back, like I said, to show you guys the finished results. Alright guys, so it's been like a week since I filmed the first parts of this video, but as you guys can see, my hair, I mean, now it's dirty because it's been like a week, but I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about how I feel about these two products here. So let's first start off with the shampoo. I really, really like this shampoo a lot. It almost has like a creamy consistency to it, which is the type of shampoo that I really like to use in my hair, because I find that it is the most moisturizing and it doesn't strip my hair. My hair is very easily stripped of all its natural oils and moisture and everything with a lot of shampoos. So I try to stick to shampoos that are a little bit more, I guess the word is viscous, like it has like a more creamy texture to it. I said, I believe in the last clip, that it smells really good, and it does smell so good. So it says that it's this is the MAUI Moisture Color Protection Sea Mineral Shampoo for color treated hair, fade defy, smooths, hydrates, rich in sea minerals, pure algae, lush sea kelp. It has none of the bad stuff: mineral oil, silicones, parabens, gluten, SLS, sulfated surfactants, synthetic dye. And it's vegan, eco-friendly, pure coconut water, pure aloe juices. So on the back it says MAUI Moisture starts with a unique blend with aloe vera juice and is infused with pure coconut water. Unlike some other shampoos that start with deionized water as their first ingredient, the results: moisturized strands, mended split ends, and a healthy glow with every use. Rich sea minerals, algae, and sea kelp are infused in this moisture-rich, gentle shampoo. Help to smooth and hydrate strands that have been damaged by coloring hair, leaving hair soft. Help to protect color with this gentle blend. So yeah, it's really a really nice shampoo. I feel like I said, it did not strip my hair like a lot of shampoos do. I think that is because of like the milky texture that it has. Smells great. I did use this twice to wash out my hair, and I really enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to keep on using this for my wash days until I try something new. I do have a new product that I really want to try that I ordered on Amazon, so that will be here soon, and I'm really excited to try that one out as well. But this is really great for now. Now for the conditioner, this is the same zhuzh. It smells exactly the same as the shampoo. This was really, really nice actually. Sometimes with MAUI moisture conditioner, I feel like it says that it's hydrating, but it could be so much more hydrating. But I didn't feel that way with this one. I felt like this was really, really nice. I applied it as you guys saw in the clip, and it was really moisturizing. I left it on for probably about 10 minutes. I feel like this works best when you have super damp hair. Like, don't even towel dry your hair between shampooing and applying this, because I feel like this really works well when your hair is super duper wet. And I use this to detangle my hair before applying my deep conditioner, and it worked super well for that as well. I think that a lot of naturals would like this because it does have like a really super creamy, almost kind of melts away the tangles consistency, and I know that a lot of naturals look for that in a conditioner, and a lot of naturals don't like to use like expensive conditioner to detangle their hair, and this one isn't too bad. I think it's under $7 or $8 at Walmart is where I picked mine up. And yeah, it worked really well. It just really moisturized my hair. You guys saw in the clip prior to this, before I deep conditioned, that's how my hair looked after this was rinsed out. And it was really, really nice. I really enjoyed it. I definitely will keep using this. I think this will be great as a co-wash also for your hair. A really super moisturizing co-wash, especially with these winter months coming up. It's currently snowing outside right now, so I'm super excited to use this for the winter months. I think it's going to keep my hair super hydrated and moisturized in these cold winter months that we have coming up super, super fast. So